Hello everyone, welcome to Job Punkers. Today we are going to see software engineering interview questions for freshers. What is a software development? Simply put, a baseline represents a significant milestone in software development, serving as a reference point that is set upon the completion or delivery of one or more software deliverables. The primary goal of establishing is baseline to reduce and manage vulnerabilities, which are project weaknesses that have the potential to cause significant harm to the project and result is unmanageable alterations. What is verification and validation? Verification in software engineering is the process of ensuring that the software is being built according to the specifications, requirements, and design documents. It focuses on whether the software conforms to the intended design and meets the functional requirements defined before the development starts. Validation is the process of ensuring that the software meets the user needs and solves the problem it was intended to address. Validation occurs after verification and is typically about real world functionality, whether the software does what the customer accepts and whether it is usable in its intended environment. What does SRS stand for? SRS is a formal report that acts as a reflection of software, enabling customers to evaluate if it aligns with their requirements. It is a list of requirements for a particular software product, program, or set of apps that perform specific tasks in a specified specialized environment. It covers both the user needs for a system and the detailed specification for system requirements. It serves different purpose depending on the writer. What are the different categories of software? Scientific software refers to a broad category of software tools and applications specially designed to help scientists and engineers perform complex computations, simulations, data analysis, modeling, and visualizations. Embedded software is a specialized type of software designed to operate hardware devices or embedded systems. These systems are often resource constrained. Example, limited processing power, memory storage, and are built to perform specific predefined tasks. Networking software focuses on enabling communication between computers and devices over a network. Example, the internet, local area networks, etc. Sorry. It encompasses a variety of tools, protocols, and systems that facilitate data exchange, security, and network management. Artificial intelligence refers to a tool, frameworks, and libraries that enable the development of intelligent systems capable of performing tasks that would typically require human cognition, such as learning from data, decision making, natural language processing, and computer vision. What is software prototyping and POC? A software prototype is a functional model with restricted capabilities. The prototype may or may not embody the precise logic utilized in the ultimate software program. Hence, it constitutes an additional task that ought to be factored into overall calculations. Users have the opportunities to evaluate developer proposals and test them prior to the implementation through prototyping. It also aids in understanding user specific details that might have been overlooked by developer during product development. POC, proof of concept, serves as a valuable approach for organization to confirm the feasibility of an idea or concept. What benefits does the incremental model offer? It has the capability to provide quicker iterations starting from the very first one. Development takes place simultaneously running in parallel to one another. We can minimize the initial delivery expenses by applying this approach. The user or client can offer feedback at every stage, preventing any unforeseen alteration in the requirements. Risk can be identified. What is debugging? Debugging involves identifying a software bug within the field of software engineering. In other words, it involves identifying, assessing, and rectifying issues. Debugging is crucial when the software fails to operate smoothly. Which SDLC model is the finest? According to the annually State of Agile report, Agile emerges as the top SDLC approach and is widely favored in the IT sector. The rationale behind this is that it combines the strengths of both gradual and repetitive methods, making it particularly effective in adaptable surroundings. Having said that, Choose the model that best fits your needs. What is the main difference between a computer program and computer software? The main distinction is the software comprises multiple programs for carrying out tasks, while a program consists of instructions written in a programming language. A program can be a type of software, but not all software is considered as program. What are the various SDLC models available? Waterfall model, spiral model, incremental model, agile model, Big Bang model, and iterative model. What is a framework? A framework is a widely recognized approach used for software development and deployment. It comprises a collection of tools that enable software development by offering guidance at a conceptual level rather than specifying precise details. The foundation of the complete software development process is the software process framework. What is data flow diagram? A data flow diagram illustrates how information moves within a system. It displays data inputs, outputs, storage locations, and connections between them, utilizing symbols such as rectangles, circles, and arrows, along with brief text labels. Data flowcharts vary in complexity, ranging from simple diagrams to detailed DFDs that delve deeper into the processing of data. They can be utilized to assess an existing system or develop a new system. A data flow diagram has the remarkable ability to convey complex concepts that may be challenging to articulate verbally. It has the versatile to be understood by individuals with varying levels of technical expertise, making it accessible to both technical and non-technical audiences. What is software metrics? Software What are software metrics? Software metrics refer to quantitative measures of program properties. Software metrics have a wide range of uses, including analyzing software performance, planning, estimating productivity, and more. Please provide insights on load testing, stress testing, average failure rate, code complexities, lines of code, etc. Here are some of the software metrics. The advantages of software metrics are plentiful. Some of them include it helps in reducing cost, it boosts ROI, return of investment, decreases workload, highlight areas for potential enhancement. What is black box testing and white box testing? Black box testing involves high level assessment focused on evaluating functionalities based on their behavioral aspects. During black box testing, the tester does not examine the code directly. Instead, they work with the program to determine if it functions as anticipated. White box testing necessitates program proficiency or, at a minimum, a deep understanding of the code that executes a specific function. What is a feasibility study? Feasibility study evaluates the potentials of a software product by assessing how beneficial its development would be for the business in a practical sense. The feasibility study focuses on the following areas: economic feasibility, technical feasibility, operational feasibility, legal feasibility, and schedule feasibility. What difficulties are faced in software development? The challenges encountered in software development include dealing with legacy systems, heterogeneity challenge, deliver times can be quite challenging. What are the internal milestones? They are the noteworthy and measurable indicators of advancement. These are the established techniques within the project to ensure that we are moving in the right direction. They fall under the authority of the project manager. What are the advantages of evolutionary prototyping? The advantages of evolutionary prototyping are fast delivery of the working system. User is contained while developing the system. The more useful system can be delivered. Specification, design, and implementation work in equivalent manner. What is equivalence partition? Equivalence partition divides an input domain of a program into classes of data from which test cases are derived. The collection consists of interconnected objects that form relationships such as symmetric, transitive, and reflexive, resulting in the presence of equivalence class. For more information, please contact customer care at jobconquest.com. If you need further help in interview preparations or if you need further help in job support, Need an internship? Need real time project experience? Need help in building a CV? If you have any of these needs, please contact customer care at jobconquest.com. Follow us on Instagram, jobconquest25. Thank you.